Have you ever tried the Starbucks London Fog Latte? Or perhaps you don't like coffee and you like hot tea? This is a latte you've just got to try. It's super simple to make, and it is a great take on your ordinary hot tea. So, what's in it? We are going to start with some Earl Grey tea. Now, you can use a different type of tea if you like, but then it's not going to be the London Fog Latte, but this would go well with other types of tea. So, Earl Grey tea. We're going to use some simple syrup. I do have a recipe for simple syrup here on YouTube. It is in the card, so be sure to click on that if you want to try my recipe for simple syrup. And finally, we are going to use some 2% milk. 2% milk is the milk that you want to use to froth. It froths the best. So let's go ahead and get started. So I simply heated my milk up on the stove. Now we have a couple of options when it comes to frothing the milk. We can use one of these, or you can use a French press. These are great. They really aerate the milk and they froth it up very, very well. So here's option number one. Option number two is to grab one of these little milk frothers right here. You see them sold at most stores. They run about $10, and they do a really good job of frothing up milk as well. Our final option, if you don't have a fancy milk frother, is for you to pour this warm milk into this jar and just shake it. And shake it a bunch, and that'll help froth it up as well. All three methods work really, really good. The first thing we need to do is we need to brew the tea. So go ahead, heat your water to boiling, drop in a couple of tea bags, and let this steep for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and start to build this drink. This is super simple to do. I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of vanilla syrup. If you like more, you can add more. Completely up to you. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add in my tea, and then I'm going to finish it with my milk froth. So we have one Starbucks London Fog Latte right here. You can see that that milk froth is wonderful and creamy on top. It's going to be a real delight to try. This is a perfect way to warm up on a cold afternoon, or perhaps if you just want an elevated tea experience. I hope you give this recipe a try. Do me a favor, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that bell, subscribe so you can see what's coming next, and don't forget to leave me a comment of what recipe you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.